How to add Tag Friends feature to the BuddyPress post form. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add Tag Friends to the BuddyPress post form. With this feature, your members can tag their friends once they post the status. It's like Facebook feature. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Once required plugin is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and Wall Settings. Scroll down to the Posting Form settings. Enable Tag Friends and save. Let's see the result. Now members can tag their friends when post the status on the activity stream. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.